In this video, I will show you how to extract information using side colon and top level domain. So some of the example of top level domain are EDU for education institutions and MIL for military services. Let's see these two examples: matrimonial rep site.edu and training site.mil. So click on Google to open, then type matrimonial rep site colon .edu and press enter. We can see this website has edu as a top level domain. Again here is edu, 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 edu. So by using site colon and top level domain, we can search for any article or any information from that domain only. Let's see another example. Then type training site colon dot mil. Press enter. You can see here top level domain is mil, 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 mil. So in the second example, we are searching for training from the website of military, and in the first example, we are searching for article or information related to matrimonial rape from the site of education institutions.